Welcome. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sagar, the moderator for this conference call. Welcome to the earnings conference call of Refrigeration Limited, arranged by Aaryana Matasco to discuss the financial results for Q3 and 9 months FY25. At this moment, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. At that time, if you have a question, please press star and 1 on your touchtone keypad. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Aaryana. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Thank you, Sagar. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us today for Refrigeration Limited's Q3FY25 earnings conference call to discuss our financial performance for the quarter ended December 31st, 2024. We are pleased to report another stronger quarter, driven by our commitment to innovation, operational excellence, and a diverse portfolio of over 50 refrigeration products and solutions. Our consistent revenue growth, both quarterly and annually, underscores our strong market presence and expanding sales performance. Notably, our market valuation has surged nearly 1,000% over the past 5 years, reflecting investor confidence and business excellence. Our financial results for the quarter are available on our website and stock exchanges. I would like to remind everyone that today's discussion may include forward-looking statements which are subject to known or unknown risks and uncertainties that could impact future performance. We encourage you to consider these in conjunction with the risk factors outlined in our disclosures. Joining us today to discuss results and address your questions, we have our esteemed management team, Mr. Sankrant Patel, Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Nikhil Bhatt, Vice President, Strategy, Mr. Ankit Patel, Chief Financial Officer, and Mr. Mandar Desai, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer. During today's call, we will walk you through our financial performance for the Q3FY25, discuss our strategic initiatives, explore market opportunities, and share our future outlook. With that, I would now like to invite our Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Sankrant Patel, to take the floor. Sir, over to you. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2025 के तीसरे क्वार्टर के लिए हमारे फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस को शेयर करना मेरे लिए खुशी की बात है। हमने मजबूत डिमांड और अच्छी सेल्स के कारण ईयर ऑन ईयर 34% रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ किया है। रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ के सामने नेट प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ, हायर एम्प्लॉय कॉस्ट, फाइनेंस कॉस्ट और दूसरे ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट के कारण कम रहा है। नए वर्टिकल की बात करें तो अब तक कंटिन्यूस टॉप पैनल में हमने 8.8 CR सेल्स किया और कमर्शियल 1.8 CR सेल्स हुआ है। हमारी पेंडिंग ऑर्डर बुक 167 करोड़ है। हम कॉन्फिडेंट है इस साल की हमारे 500 करोड़ की टॉप लाइन हासिल करने के लिए और 1000 करोड़ की टॉप लाइन को फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2028 तक हासिल करेंगे और हमारा फोकस EBITDA मार्जिन को 9.5 से 10.5% के बीच रखने पर होगा। एक बार फिर सभी का धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। आगे फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस की बात हमारे CFO मिस्टर अंकित पटेल करेंगे और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर निखिल भट्ट आपको स्ट्रेटेजी बिजनेस अपडेट देंगे। थैंक यू।
Thank you, MD sir, and good evening to everyone. I am pleased to present our financial performance for the third quarter and 9-month period for the fiscal 2025. Our consistent quarter-on-quarter growth reflects our commitment to sustainable expansion, operational efficiency, and financial discipline. Some key financial highlights for quarter-on-quarter performance for Q3FY25 versus Q3FY24. Revenue from operations stood at 110.56 crore versus 82.43 crore in previous quarter. That demonstrates 34% year-on-year growth. EBITDA in amount stood at 6.89 crore versus 4.41 crore in previous financial year. In terms of amount, the growth is 56% year-on-year quarterly. Net profit, that is PAT, stood at 2.81 crore versus 2 crore. In previous quarter, demonstrates 39% year-on-year growth. Earnings per share, EPS, stood at 1.82 versus 1.28 of previous corresponding quarter. For 9-month performance of FY25 and FY24, our total income stood at 299.60 crore versus 238.85 crore. That is 25% year-on-year growth. EBITDA stood at 21.59 crore versus 20.45 crore. That is 5% year-on-year growth. EBITDA margin of 9 months stood at 7.21% versus 8.57% on 9-month basis. Our net profit PAT stood at 11.24 crore versus 11.86 crore on 9-month comparative basis. That is less by 5% year-on-year. While we witnessed strong top-line growth, our net profit for the 9-month period remained moderate due to increased operational costs, that is because of continuous panel and commercial freezer plant. Production prerequisites as well as marketing activities and related manpower needs to be organized well in advance. Revenue from operation has just started. As our MD sir has already informed, till date we have achieved 9 crore sales in continuous panel plant and more than 1.5 crore sales for commercial freezer plant. We are optimistic about contributions of our new plants in coming quarters, and further we are aiming to achieve EBITDA margin as our suggested targeted range 9.5% to 10.5% for full year FY25. Thank you. Now I invite Mr. Nikhil Bhatt for updates on business. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankit. Ladies and gentlemen, IceMake's strong revenue growth highlights our growing market leadership and the sustained demand for our diverse set of refrigeration products and solutions. Our strategic focus on innovation, product diversification, and sales channels expansion has been instrumental in driving our consistent performance. Despite inflationary pressures, subdued business environment, and global uncertainties, the refrigeration sector has demonstrated remarkable adaptability. By leveraging technology and innovation, the company continues to thrive, playing a crucial role in our industry segment growth. At IceMake, we have successfully navigated these challenges, achieving impressive top-line growth. This has been driven by a strong domestic economy and rising consumption trends, stable raw material prices, and increased demand across our key verticals: cold room, commercial refrigeration, ammonia refrigeration, transport refrigeration, and industrial refrigeration. To sustain this growth momentum, we are focusing on expanding our market reach, that is strengthening our presence in emerging and high-growth sectors, innovation and product development, introducing cutting-edge, energy-efficient and refrigeration solutions, capacity enhancements, scaling up production to meet the growing demand, leveraging government incentives, utilizing policies that support infrastructure development, credit, and sustainable manufacturing. With this strategic initiative, we are confident in exceeding our revenue milestone in the upcoming fiscal years and paving the way for further expansion. Looking ahead, we remain optimistic about our sector's potential to drive economic progress, generate employment, and establish India as a global manufacturing and innovation hub. Coming to the growth and opportunity in e-commerce or say quick commerce business, last year we have received 11.5 crores of business from the leading brand which is operating in the quick commerce business. And the current financial, it reached up to the 45 crores of the business we have generated till January. So we are optimistic for the quick commerce business. And as our MD says that we are confident to achieve this 500 crores of milestone in current financial year. Thank you for your continued support. And now we look forward for your questions.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and